Okay, so let's start diving in and dipping our toes into the crazy world of NFTs. Now, follow the link and it'll take you to OpenSea.io, where firstly what we need to do is just select Create. Now, from here, you'll be asked to connect to your wallet. Now, there's a number of different wallets. If you haven't got any set up, I highly recommend MetaMask. That's what I've got, and you can see the video on how to set up your MetaMask. Once you've done that, then all you need to do is select Sign In. Now, that's you now signed in with your MetaMask wallet address. So that will be the address that you will use for your OpenSea account. Now, you'll be taken to this page here where you are asked to create an item, but we're just going to skip this for now and come back to it in a moment. And what we're going to do is just head over to this little icon here and select Profile, and we're just going to quickly set up our profile. And on your profile, it will have your wallet ID address, but we're going to head over to Settings, and we'll be taken to our profile settings where we're just going to add all of our information in here. Now, as you can see, I've just quickly done my profile settings, so give yourself a username. Please make sure that the username has no spaces in there. Give yourself a quick bio. I've just put there passionate about education, training and art. I'm just going to change that to cabs. Then I've got the email address. I've just put our works Gmail address in there. And then I've put the links to social media. Highly recommended that you do your Twitter. If you don't have one, then there's videos on how to set up a Twitter account, Instagram. And in here, if you have a website, create yourself a separate page for your NFTs. And it's always useful to have a website page on there. Your wallet address in here is by default when you signed up with your MetaMask or your other wallet. And in here, you give yourself a profile picture and a profile banner. And once you're done with that, then all you need to do is click Save. And then once you've saved it, then click your preview, and there you go there. So there's the profile done. Now, of course, there's no items displayed there, but there you have your Twitter and your Instagram. Now, I'm not quite happy with that banner at all, so I'm gonna revamp that, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna change it, and possibly with the picture as well. And it's easy, straightforward. Once you do that, you know, you can go back in, edit it. You've got your little icons, or you can go back into your settings and then just edit your profile banner, your image, and any links that you may have. So now what we're going to do is we are going to create our collection, and all we do is go back up to the icon, and this time we just scroll down and select My Collections, and you'll be taken to this page here. Firstly, to create our collection, we need a logo image, a feature image, and also a banner image. Now, this should be already pre-done. Please check out the other video on the good tools on how to make an appealing and a good standout banners and logos. And also, please make sure you check out the recommended sizes for each of the images. So the next thing we need to do is give your collection a name. So in this case, I'm just going to call it Smart NFT, yes, with 2 T's, and there you go, that name is available. Now, a URL. Now, this URL will be the URL that you will promote your NFTs, and there you go, it is available. Next, give your collection a description. I'm just going to paste mine in here and just make sure it's anywhere up to 1,000 characters. Now we need to add a category. Now from the drop down menu here, you've got 6 different categories. Pick the category that's more suited to your collection. So in my case, I'm just going to select art. And the next thing we're going to do is add any links to any websites or blogs and social media. I'm just going to paste in here a link to our website where I've just created a single page on the website, and we're going to build it out from there. I would recommend, if you can, just make yourself a WordPress website with the single page and just start building it out and promoting your NFTs. Also any Instagram and Telegram and Discord links that you do have. So for now, all I'm going to do is just add in the Instagram, and I'm going to leave the rest. I might come back and add them in later, but it's not essential. Next, you're going to put in your royalties. So what is royalties? Well, let's have a look. So basically, the royalties act as an affiliate. So any time somebody buys your artwork, then if they sell it on, then you will get a percentage. Now, you can get a percentage, as you can see there, up to 10%. And OpenSea recommends it by default that you do it 2.5%, but it's entirely up to you. You can go up to 10%. So read through the loyalty system and whatever works best for your project. For me, I'm just going to leave it at 10% for now, and I may come back and change it later. Now you're going to add your wallet address for any affiliate payouts or royalty payouts, and to do that, just head up to your MetaMask, click the little address bar here, and then just paste it straight in. Next thing is to choose the blockchain you want to host your NFTs on. Now you've got 3 options, and if you select this little icon here, it will give you the blockchain information. Now, as you can see, the Polygon is recommended. You've got Ethereum and you've got Chelaton. So if you just click on the Polygon, it'll give you, it'll give you the information there with a connection to the network. Again, I highly recommend you research your own blockchain you would like to host them on. But the recommended is Polygon because it is very cheaper in gas fees, which we'll cover a bit later. So for me, I'm just going to select the Polygon. Next, just select which token you would like to be paid in by this drop down menu here. As you can see, there are many different tokens you can be paid in. The Ethereum Polygon is set by default there, but I'm just going to select the USDC, which is a stable coin. And the last thing we need to do is just select your display theme. I'm just leaving it on the contain, which is set by default. It's entirely up to you. Just have a look at what would suit your best, and then select create, and voila, you are done. So this is your collection homepage. As you can see, the URL that we added earlier up here. So when you start promoting it, this is where people will be taken to your NFTs. Now, at any stage, you can actually edit this, and you can do that by just selecting the edit button. And I'm really not happy with the logos that I've set on here. I've slightly rushed them just for the training purposes. So I'm going to come back and I'm really going to produce some more logos for that. But one thing I did just checking there, one thing I have missed is a connect to your Twitter account. So we're going to do that now. Just select connect and allow the authorized app. And there you go. That's now your account connected to your Twitter. Okay, that's us done for this video. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to spend a bit of time now and redesign the logos, or just change the logos because I'm just not happy with them. And when we come back, we're going to start adding items to our collection.